Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering 2 cups fresh chilies, 1 cup vinegar, and aromatics like garlic and onion. Include 1/4 cup neutral oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt for balance. Wash and stem chilies, leaving seeds for heat or removing them for milder sauce. Rough chop peppers and aromatics to fit a blender or food processor bowl so everything blends evenly. Measure liquids and seasonings precisely before cooking to ensure consistent flavor every time you make this hot chili sauce. Heat oven to 425 degrees F and roast chilies and garlic on a sheet for about 12 minutes. Alternatively, sauté ingredients in 2 tablespoons oil until soft and lightly browned, about 6 minutes. Combine roasted chilies, 1/2 cup vinegar, cooked aromatics, and 1 tablespoon sugar in a blender for a balanced base. Pulse until smooth, adding water or oil by teaspoons to reach desired thickness and shine. Adjust salt and acidity, then strain for a silky texture. Pour hot sauce into sterilized glass jars, leaving 1/2-inch headspace at the top. Seal lids and process jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to preserve safely. Store unopened jars in a cool, dark place up to 12 months for best flavor and stability. Refrigerate opened sauce and use within 1 month or freeze in portions for 6 months to maintain peak heat and brightness. Use this sauce on tacos, soups, marinades, and to wake up dressings with 1 to 2 teaspoons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.